Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Mentor Channel, where learning English feels simple, warm, and fun.
Hi, Evelyn. Hi, everyone watching. I hope you're feeling good today because we're talking about something very important. How to speak English at the doctor's office.
That's right. Maybe you feel sick, or your friend does. But speaking English when you're not feeling well can be scary, right?
Oh, yes. Imagine you're coughing, your head hurts, and the doctor says something you don't understand.
Don't worry. After today's lesson, you'll feel confident. You'll learn how to describe symptoms, ask for help, and understand the doctor's questions, all in simple English.
And before we begin, remember, if you enjoy our lessons, please subscribe and click that little bell. It really helps us keep teaching English to amazing people like you.
All right, are you ready? Let's go to the doctor. Okay, let's imagine this. You wake up one morning and your throat hurts. You have a headache. You feel tired.
Ugh, I know that feeling. Maybe it's a cold, or maybe too much late night Netflix.
Could be. So, what do? You go to the doctor. But how do you explain how you feel in English?
Let's learn some simple sentences. I don't feel well. I have a headache. My throat hurts. I have a fever.
Great! You can also say, I feel sick. I have a stomach ache. I feel dizzy. Means your head is spinning.
Try this with us, friends watching. Repeat after me. I have a headache. I have a cough. I feel tired.
Perfect. Now, let's use these in a small story.
Okay, I'll be the patient. Evelyn, you're the doctor.
Okay, Dr. Evelyn ready to help.
Weak voice. Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
All right. How long have you felt sick?
For 2 days.
Okay, you probably have a cold. Drink water, rest, and take this medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon. Simple, right? That's a very basic doctor conversation.
Let's look at the key sentences we used. What's wrong means what's the problem? I have a headache tells the symptom. How long have you felt sick means since when?
And get well soon. That's a nice way to wish someone to feel better. You can say it to your friends too.
Like, oh, you have a cold? Get well soon.
Exactly.
Let's check some useful vocabulary for doctor visits. English word. Meaning. Example. Headache. Pain in the head. I have a headache. Sore throat. Pain in the throat. My throat hurts. Fever. High temperature. I have a fever. Cough. You keep making a cough sound. I have a bad cough. Medicine. Something to help you feel better. I need some medicine. Prescription. Paper with medicine names. The doctor gave me a prescription.
Gentle voice. When you go to a pharmacy, you can say, I need to buy this medicine, please.
And when you want to see a doctor, you can say, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor.
Let's say that again slowly. I'd like to make an appointment.
That's a polite way to ask, better than just, I want.
Yes, it sounds more natural and friendly. You may have noticed something. When we talk about being sick, we often use I have.
Right. We don't say, I am headache. We say, I have a headache.
Good. Let's review. Correct. I have a cold. I have a stomach ache.
Good. Let's review. I have a cold. I have a stomach ache. I have a fever. Not I am fever. No.
Don't worry. Everyone makes that mistake when learning.
Less. Mistakes mean you're learning. So keep going.
Let's do another story, but this time, our English is better and we speak with confidence.
All right. I'll be the nurse this time and you're the patient again. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to see the doctor, please.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I have a cough and a sore throat. I also feel tired.
I see. Have you taken any medicine?
No, not yet.
Okay. Please wait a few minutes. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you hear how polite that was? I'd like to. What seems to be the problem? Those phrases make your English sound calm and kind.
And polite English always makes people like you more.
Exactly.
Let's do another story, but this time, our English is better and we speak with confidence.
All right. I'll be the nurse this time and you're the patient again. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to see the doctor, please.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I have a cough and a sore throat. I also feel tired.
I see. Have you taken any medicine?
No, not yet.
Okay. Please wait a few minutes. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you hear how polite that was? I'd like to. What seems to be the problem? Those phrases make your English sound calm and kind.
And polite English always makes people like you more.
Exactly.
Let's give our viewers a small challenge. Listen to this short doctor conversation and try to answer, what's the problem?
Ready? Here we go. Hello, doctor. I feel really bad.
What's wrong?
I have a fever and body pain
How long have you felt this way?
for 3 days.
So, what's the problem?
The patient has a fever and body pain.
Great job if you got it right.
Let's make it more real. Imagine your friend is sick. How can you help them in English?
I'll play the friend.
Okay. Knocks on door sound. Hey, Paul. How are you feeling?
Not so good. My head hurts.
Oh, no. Do you want some medicine?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Get well soon.
Thanks, Evelyn. You're a good friend.
Simple kindness. That's also good English practice.
When you help someone, you can say kind things like, take care, rest well, hope you feel better.
Let's repeat those together. Take care. Rest well. Hope you feel better. Nice.
You know, learning English for daily life, like at the doctor, is not just about grammar. It's about confidence.
Yes, when you can tell the doctor how you feel, you take care of yourself. That's powerful.
Every small word you say grows your confidence. So don't worry about being perfect. Just speak.
Because English isn't just a language, it's your voice.
Beautifully said, Paul.
Okay, time for a quick review. Today, we learned how to describe symptoms like I have a headache or I feel sick.
We learned how to ask for help politely. I'd like to see the doctor.
We learned how to understand questions like what's wrong and how long have you felt sick?
And we used kind phrases like get well soon and take care.
And remember, you're doing great. Every time you practice, your English grows stronger and your voice grows brighter.
So, what about you? Have you ever been to the doctor in an English speaking country? Tell us your story in the comments.
Or write your own example sentence using today's phrases. We love reading them.
And don't forget to subscribe for more happy English lessons every week.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.
And get well soon.
Bye.